Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So first of all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into System.io, and this is the home page as you can see. So we'll come to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So first things that we have here, it's System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, and you have create online courses, automate your marketing, and that's it. So if you want to become an affiliate, all you have to do is scroll down here, then you click over become an affiliate. Once you do that, you will find this page, which we have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. So we have here important thing that we have earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription, of course. Then we have a strong affiliate tracking, open and simple rules. Anyone can be an affiliate. So you write your email here, and then if you offer join and start earning affiliate commissions. Then if we scroll down, we have also here how to get started as an affiliate. Learn everything about being a successful System.io affiliate. The first step is read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. The second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. The third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. And the last step, which is access our affiliate swipe folder to find lots of promotional resources for all of our offers. And if we scroll down, we have also here System.io. Where is System.io here? A fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. Every System.io free plan, you have here earned 60% lifetime recurring commissions. So if you click over get started and you write your personal information, you will find this page as you can see. So this is the dashboard here, and we have other things here. The first thing we have here new leads, as you can see. And also we have live updates here. So this is the dashboard. We have here a full dashboard, and we have student dashboard here, marketplace also. And if you want to create products, all you have to do is click over products, then you click over the one you want, for example, physical products. So you click over create here, you write your name and description. You can just copy it on ChatGPT or other websites, for example, Perplexity or ChatGPT, and then you paste it here. And we have your SQ here, product text and currency, price, weight, inventory, shipping, and here you upload your image. For example, you can go to canva.com and you upload your image here and download the image on Canva, and upload it here. Then in options, you can just click over here and you can add another option if you want. Then you click over save, and this is how you can create the products if it's related to physical products. Then we have orders here, coupons, also courses. As you can see, you can just click over products and courses, and then you click over add new courses. Then you write your name and your domain here, your path here, as you can see. Then you choose the one you want here, for example select them, and then you click over save. If you want to choose communities also, and just click over communities and you click over create, then you write your name, your domain name and your path, then you click over disabled or enabled, then you click over save. So this is how you can create your products. Right now I will show you how you can create your sales funnels. So about this one, you can just go to sales funnels, then you click over create and you write your name here, funnel domain, and you choose your funnel goal here. For example, build an audience, collect email addresses and build your email list. Also sell here, sell a product or services, custom also, then run an evergreen webinar. Then we have currency here. So once you do that, you click over save. For example, I will write here Mike, then I will click over sell, then I will click over save. So this is it, as you can see. So this is how you can create sales funnels. So in upgrade, here we have the price. We have here 4 packages. We have the first one, we have it's for free, the freemium one, then we have the startup one, webinar, and we have a limited one. About the startup, we have $27 per month, and about the webinar, $47 per month, and then we have the last one, a limited, it's $97 per month. So we are going to see it's a limited, and this is how it works with that. Then we have here settings, and you click over my payment gateways. You have here the options how you can get paid, PayPal for example, and other options. So this is how you can create your products or your sales funnels. So making money draw system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise. Subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring acquiring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So, earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strength and market demand, whether through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models. The possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.